It looks like Tesla Gigafactory Austin in Texas is going to have its own battery production because Tesla Automotive President just shared Gigafactory Texas battery production job opening. We have heard reports and we have reported before that Tesla Gigafactory Berlin is going to have its own battery factory, and it's going to be, as of now, the world's largest battery production factory in Giga Berlin. But now Tesla Automotive President shared Gigafactory Texas battery production job opening. Let's learn more about that. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here for the first time, please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and analysis on electric vehicles and ring the notification bell so you don't miss my next Tesla report. Maria Merano reports from TeslaRadi.com saying a Tesla Gigafactory Texas battery-related job opening was recently posted by the electric car maker in its career page. By Tesla's career page, the job listing was shared by Automotive President Jerome Guillen of Tesla via his official LinkedIn account. Here's what it says. It says, looking for great manufacturing engineering talent in Austin. Fantastic team already on the ground. Apply online, wrote Guillen in his LinkedIn post. And here's the message. That message was a link to Tesla's career page that went to a job opening looking for a manager, battery manufacturing engineering. What else do you need to know to understand that that Tesla is going to build its own battery production at Gigafactory Texas, which makes great sense. So according to the roles description of the position of the battery manufacturing engineering manager, this position will develop and be responsible for Tesla's manufacturing processes relating to the company's next generation battery modules. That next generation battery modules is a quote. The description suggests that Tesla wants a plan set for the development of its structural battery pack that will feature the company's 4680 battery cells when operations at Gigafactory Texas begin. Some of the responsibilities of the manager of the battery manufacturing engineering team were listed in the job post. The manager will be involved with the design development of Tesla's next generation battery in terms of components it will need for manufacturing. The person hired for the battery-related job opening at Gigafactory Texas will also oversee the development and launch of the battery manufacturing line in Tesla Gigafactory Texas, including the specification for custom prototype equipment and the search for new automation vendors. The ongoing construction of Gigafactory Texas was depicted in a recent video by our friend and Tesla supporter Joe Techmeyer, who always goes to Gigafactory Austin in Tesla's Austin Gigafactory and makes nice videos. You have been seeing that on your screen, and it seems like Giga Texas is on track to be up and running by the end of 2021 and meet Tesla's start of operation goal. The Austin-based Tesla Gigafactory is expected to start operations with Model Y production shortly followed by Cybertruck production. Let's check out Joe Techmeyer's latest Gigafactory Texas construction update video and see how Tesla is doing at Gigafactory Austin. In the meantime, this is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Friends, please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla and electric vehicle news analysis and ring the notification bell so you don't miss my next coverage. Have a wonderful rest of the day. God bless you, everyone, and see you soon.